The last time I was here, I witnessed a scene of utter devastation of houses, of schools, of community property, not to mention the Cockpit Country which surrounds this area. Thankfully, on my return a few weeks after, the Cockpit Country is showing signs of great resilience. It is green again, it's growing and flourishing, and the community spirit is high because restoration work has begun. I have myself witnessed roofs restored, houses restored, and it is clear that the community is very actively a part of the restoration effort. As it relates to schools, I am particularly pleased because this school has been restored. We have supported it with a generator, with Starlink, and now it is getting more connectivity to assist with remote learning. But more importantly, we have given more furniture to the school and other equipment to enhance the learning experience. There is another school, and a basic school in the area, which we are now in the process of repairing. And I want to commend the work of the JDF in this area. It is clear that the community members have embraced the JDF in this space, and the JDF is particularly pleased to be of this kind of service to the community. It reinforces the point that this is one Jamaica, and every citizen of every inch of soil is entitled to the government's attention and service. And my presence here, it is not merely symbolic, but it is a reaffirmation that every community in Jamaica deserves the effort and the resources of the government. Everyone is a citizen of Jamaica and entitled to the service and support of the government of Jamaica.